Welcome back, guys. Like I said, we're working this kind of grass edge flat. We got a couple storms off in the distance. I'm sure you can see those back there. Wind is blowing out of the south for us, and we're fishing this flat area. Wind's coming from my right, and I'm just kind of working out here a little bit deeper. I'm gonna throw towards that grass edge and pull it through. We'll see if we can't get onto some fish. Stay tuned. There you go, fish on. They don't feel big, but it's a start. Little guy, man, easy, easy. You see, hard to tell, but held that lure. And this one kind of got him down the throat a little bit, but see if we can't save him. There he goes. I didn't put on screen. Throw it right back out there. So that on retrieve, I kind of work it pop. I'm kind of letting it drop a little bit slower, letting it get down towards that bottom, trying to work the whole column. And that trout obviously hit it on the drop. I mean, he inhaled it, and it wasn't a big one, but it was a start. And same thing, since we're working this area and I'm in a group a little bit, there's no predominant like shoreline other than this edge out here where there's a grass flat and then it drops off. It might be a foot up there and then it drops off, 2 foot, 2.5. The best thing to do is just a fan cast. Start at one point and you just work it all the way through, and just to cover more water. And once you catch a fish, there's no need to, as you're waiting, to keep going through and try to wade through fish. Like if you caught one, hey, stay there a bit, fish it out a little bit. See right there? There we go. Another one. A little bit smaller, but like I said, that I'm pulling them off probably that little grass edge. Oop, later. And that's how we're just going to work it. Bring it in from the shallow, bring it to the deep, and let them pull it through that grass. Like I said, there might be some little ones, but there's got to be big ones mixed up in there with them. Like I said, just kind of, I'm doing more of a slow retrieve. I'm not really blowing it through there. Not, just a couple pops, reel up the slack. Same thing, that fish hit it on the drop. I'm trying to locate them, and it looks like up there where Doc's at and Angel, they're fishing a little bit shallower, and they're probably fishing more of that grass edge, and I might be pulling them off that edge into this deeper water where they might be, but we'll find out. course, we got another boat coming up on us, and like I said, we're trying to wade this area. This kind of bar goes out. There we go, little one. And we got somebody moving in on us, and you can clearly see we're wading right here. And they're just gonna move in on us like that, but that's part of it. Easy guy. Little guy. I said that down south Twisted Tea Laminate. Later. Right there, it's been a producer for me. That one in the spicy pumpkin. Been my go-to right now. And they've been producing. Like I said, last weekend y'all saw I caught that 24. Same thing, you know, Twisted Tea Laminate. Another little guy, but he thumped it. Come on. Oh, yeah, that ain't gonna come out. A little bit better fish, guys. Probably 14. Getting a little bit bigger. Like I said, I'm still working this area. Hang on, bud. Easy. Later. Fish on, baby. Oh, there he goes. Came off. I didn't keep her, but man, guys, let me tell you, I am recording all of them, but I have been tearing it up on these little trout off this Twisted Tea laminate color. I mean, it's barely hanging on. I'm already switched sides. It's all tore up, but I'm gonna keep fishing it until it falls off. See if we can't get a big one. Let's go. Oh, nice trout. Nice trout. There we go, baby. All right, guys, so we switched to a different spot, second spot, and I just changed. I just got these in. This is the AM fishing lure. Shit. This fish might have inhaled this. Let's see. Oh yeah, good fish. Let's see, probably about probably about 18. Not a bad fish at all, but man, she inhaled that and swallowed it. If I get it out, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. There it is. Seeing that fish's mouth down deep. That wasn't too bad. Come on, baby. This is what I'm throwing. It's an AM fishing lure, this red with kind of whitish pearl. What's up? I just caught an 18. Yeah. So this is what I just got these, and they just brought these back on the website, so I went ahead and grabbed like 5 packs. One of my favorite colors to throw when we were fishing St. Charles. Obviously you can see it produced a nice fish. All right, let's get back at it. What is up, guys? Back here at the boat ramp, or I'm sorry, back here at the boat storage, about to wash the old boat. Today was a little slow, caught a few fish, got that 119, you know, decent keeper. Like I said, it's just one of them days, man. Sometimes it's feast, sometimes it's famine, but we had a great time on the water, caught some fish, got a little footage for y'all, but we'll see what it is, you know, next weekend maybe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, leave stuff in the comments for me. I like to know, get some feedback from all y'all. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, see y'all out there.